Hey guys, it's time to clean my makeup desk again. I feel like I don't even have to tell you what's going on, you guys just know by now as to kind of what's gonna go on. So I feel like I'm just gonna sort it out as best as I can, and then yeah, put it all away. So let's do it. Okay, so this is what we've got. It's all pretty much sorted. So I think I might do things a bit differently today. I might show you what I'm putting in each drawer, and then I might just organise it like kind of sped up so you guys get the best of both worlds. Because I know I like watching the sped up versions, and I also want to know what's going in the drawer, so I'm going to do both for you guys. So yeah, we'll do that now. Okay, so first drawer we have setting sprays and brow and mascara and eyeliner. So in this drawer we have the Anastasia Brow Wiz, the Clinique High Impact Mascara, the Benefit They're Real Mascara Primer, two of the Anastasia Clear Brow Gels. I don't even know why I have both of them out, but anyway. I've got both of my P. Louise bases. We have Rumour 01 and Rumour 0. Rumour 0 is the white one. Have my Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara and the Anastasia Dip Brow. And then for setting sprays, have the Anastasia Dewy Set, the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, the Ciate London Dewy Spritz, the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist in the peach one, the Fenty Beauty Water Dew Setting Spray, and then the Becca Skin Love. So I'll sort these now. Okay, next we have primers, concealers and foundations. Alright, first we have the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Then we have the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And then the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. I have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation, the Revolution Glass Skin Primer, Anastasia Hydrating Oil, the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, the Anastasia Luminous Foundation. I have the MAC Strobe Cream in Pink Light, the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer. I have both of my, or two of my Farsali primers. I have the Skin Tune Blur and the Liquid Glass. And then last but not least we have the Benefit Boing Concealer. Okay, onto powders. The Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Then I've got my Too Faced Dew You Setting Powder. This one's in the shade Translucent Radiant Pearl. Then I've got the Too Faced Born This Way loose setting powder. And if you're wondering where most of my stuff is, I did just start a new project pan, so there is a bit of stuff missing out of the drawers at the moment, because it is in my project pan. If you haven't seen that video, it's the one before this, so go check it out. Anyway, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Setting Powder in Butter, the Anastasia Loose Setting Powder in Vanilla, and then the two pressed ones that I have is the MAC Studio Fix Powder in NW20 and the Jouer Soft Focus Hydrate and Set Powder in Light. Okay, I've got quite a few highlighting palettes that I need to put back in because like literally all of my highlighting palettes, because I made my Jeffree Star alternatives video. Anyway, so for bronzers I have the Morphe bronzer, I don't know how to say it, I think it's Debonte, I don't know, but yeah, anyway, I've got that. Then I have my Fenty Beauty Shady Biz bronzer, my favourite. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Nude Bronze Light. And then I also have the Colourpop bronzer in Private Party. I've only got one blush and it's the Morphe one in Spirit. And then as for highlighting palettes, I've got heaps. So this is the MAC Hyper Real Glow palette. I love this, it's so pretty. Then we have the Ofra Feeling Myself highlighting palette. I have the Jacqueline Cosmetics The Flash. Oh my god. This one's like one of my favourite palettes. It's so beautiful. And then we have the Revolution X Soap highlighting palette. Oh my god. Which looks like this. Super pretty. This is the Anastasia Nicole Giario, or however you say it, highlighting palette. The Revolution Ultra Pro Glow highlighting palette, and then last but not least the Anastasia Sugar Glow kit. So I don't actually remember where any of these went, so I'm going to try my best to put them away, but anyway. I feel like that's not how they went, but anyway, that's how I'm going to do it for now. So okay, this drawer is going to be hard because I have no idea where anything goes. But anyway, I've got so many highlighters. So first I have the Natasha Denona Super Glow, which looks like this. It really annoys me that it opens the wrong way, like it should open like this. But anyway, the Natasha Denona Super Glow. We have the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlight. This is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. This is the Extra Dimension Skin Finish from MAC in Beaming Blush. This is the Dull Beauty highlighter in Lacquer Diamond. This is my Jacqueline loose highlighter in Extra. Then I have the Anastasia loose highlighter in Snowflake and the Revolution loose highlighter in True Gold. This is the Ofra highlighter in Glazed Donut. The Jouer powder highlight in Citrine. I love this. It's so pretty. I've got two Fenty ones. This is the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo in Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. And then this is the Mini Kilowatt Highlight in Hustler Baby. This is the Luna Beauty Moon Prism Powder in Mercury. The Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Wisp. The Cookie Highlighter from Benefit. Morphe highlighter in Spark. Another Morphe highlighter. Oh wait, whoops, this is a Morphe powder. No, this is the Morphe powder in Filter 4. So, go up there. Whoopsies. Okay, anyway. This is the Morphe highlighter in Lit. The Too Faced Love Light highlight in Blinded by the Light. The Anastasia XM Reezy highlighter. The Revolution Skin Finish in Radiance. And last but not least, the Becca highlight in Champagne Pop. Okay, I'm going to sort these out now. It might take a while. Okay, I think that's done. Okay, I feel like that looks good. I think. I feel like I could even like move. I feel like now at least there's a bit more room, so I can buy lots of new highlighters. But anyway, that's done now. Now we're gonna go on to lashes. There's honestly only a few of these, just the Anastasia doll, the Anastasia lash from Doll Beauty, the Selena lash from Doll Beauty, Exo Beauty Panther lashes, and then the Rebel Smoke lashes from Unicorn Cosmetics. I don't really need to speed this up because it'll take me like 1 second. But okay, now we can move on to everything else. I've only got 3 lip products. The first one is the Anastasia liquid lipstick in Sand, so it can just go there. And then I've just got 2 of these lipsticks from Revolution Pro. We have Cashmere and Stripped. So I'll just put those up here. And then once again, I've only got a few products for here as well. I have my Fenty Fly Liner and both of my Benefit Roller Liners. I have one in black and one in brown. And then this is just the one I use as my liner brush. I've got one of the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liners. This one's in Midnight Cowboy. Have a Stila Glitter and Glow in Diamond Dust. And a Colourpop Jelly Matte Shadow in Early Birdie. And then this is the Napoleon Loose Dust, and it's just in number 21. So now I've just got to put my eyeshadow palettes away. The first one I have is the Huda Beauty Nude Medium. Oh, this is the worst lighting, so you can't really even see it. Oh, there's me, hello. This is the Carnival XL Pro palette. Yeah. And then the Natasha Denona Sunrise. And then the Anastasia Novena Volume 3, which I can't believe I finally have after all this time. So let's put them away now. So, I don't know if it'll fit in there. Oh, it's like a tight fit, but anyway. Oh yeah, it needs to be, that's better. Okay, cool. This one just goes up here. they are. Oh, I just found a Morphe lipstick. Okay, I'll just quickly put this Morphe lipstick away. This is just the Taunt. Oh, True Story, sorry. Also, Morphe is pulling the Jeffree Star collab, so I think I might declutter those as well, because if they're pulling it, you can't get it anymore, then yeah, might as well get rid of it. And then this is just the Carnival XL Pro palette, which goes right at the back. Okay, all done now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!